Today, Ethernet is used virtually everywhere, and not just for IT. Ethernet infrastructure is the preferred backbone for IP surveillance and access control applications. And regardless of what type of IP product you're looking to deploy, they all have one common denominator. They all need power. And that's where Altronix comes in. Altronix NetWay Midspans are the best way to deliver PoE, PoE Plus, or Hi-PoE for a variety of edge devices. And they ensure there's power, even if the network goes down. With NetWay, powering IP devices is as easy as plug and play. NetWay Midspans can be installed virtually anywhere, indoors or outdoors, to accommodate a myriad of applications. Single, 8, and 16-port models are available, with or without management. And with NetWay repeaters, Ethernet range can be extended in 100-meter increments, up to 500 meters. That's 5 times standard Ethernet. NetWay is the smart and efficient way to power your IP cameras and edge devices, extend range, and expand your system. NetWay Midspans, backed by a lifetime warranty from the company that delivers more than just power, Altronix.